So today I'm doing my everyday makeup for you and explaining how I apply my Jane makeup every morning. So here I'm putting on my primer, the Jane Iredale Brightening Primer. And then now I'm dabbing the Beyond Matte Foundation into dots around my face so it's evenly spread out. And then I'm blending it with my beauty blender. It's crazy how much coverage it has. And then here I'm putting on the Jane Iredale concealer, just on my forehead, my eyes, my nose, and my chin to brighten it up. Now I'm getting the PurePressed powder to set all of the concealer and the foundation that I just put on so it doesn't smudge. Now I'm putting on the bronzer with the brush and I'm just putting it underneath my cheekbones so it gives me a facelift. I like contouring to give your face more structure. Yeah, I'm just blending it in to make it look like there's not like rough lines on my face. Now I'm using the PureBrow eyebrow brush from Jane in Neutral Blonde, like the shaping pencil, to brush out my brows and color them. Now I'm just using some of a palette, which is the Warm palette in the GreatShape contour kit, which I'm just setting on my upper eyelid so it gives me more of a plain matte look. And I'm just getting underneath my eyes so it can give me more light. I'm doing it above my eyebrows so it's even all the way across. Now I'm going back in with dark Suede PurePressed eyeshadow just to get a winged eyeliner look. And I'm overlining my eyebrows to give it a darker and more defined shape. Now I'm going in with the dark Suede eyeshadow again and using it as an eyeshadow and just rubbing it lightly in the corners of my eyelids. I'm also using some of that dark Suede to give my nose a more defined shape, just to give some sculpture. So I'm just going over the outsides of my nose. And then after that, I'm just gonna press it in and blend it more so it's not stronger lines into my face. And then I'm going over those lines with my PurePressed shade so it's not dark lines all the way down. Now I'm using Emerald, which is a PurePressed eyeshadow, to get the insides of my eyes to give my eyes more shape and sculpture. And I'm just pressing this right under my eyelash into my eyelid. Now I'm using the Cotton Candy Iredale blush, and I'm just getting my upper cheekbones and up my forehead so it doesn't look like very strong lines when I'm doing it. Now I'm just blending it. I also enjoy to put some wet eyelids just to warm my eyelids and make sure it blends into the rest of my face. Now I'm just going in with some more of the dark Suede to just make sure all the lines are bold. Now I'm using one of the Iredale eyeshadow just to outline the base of my lips to give them a more plump and even look. Now I'm using the Iredale mascara just to give my eyelashes boldness, I guess. So now I'm going in with a second coat to make my eyelashes more bold with the Jane True Lash Mascara. Now for the final thing, I'm going over it with the Just Kissed lipstick in Montreal, in the shade Montreal.
That's it.